Ready to upgrade how you handle your money. From apps that help you save on autopilot to AI that invests for you, digital finance is revolutionizing the way we manage our wealth. In today's video, I'll take you on a journey through the world of fintech in 2024, giving you the tools and insights you need to stay ahead of the game. Let's get started. Welcome to the Money Philosopher. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by managing your finances, this video is for you. Technology is reshaping how we budget, invest, and even pay for coffee. It's called fintech financial technology, and it's here to make your life easier. Today, I'll guide you through 5 key areas of fintech: personal finance apps, AI-driven investing, digital wallets, crypto wallets, and popular fintech platforms. By the end, you'll have actionable tips to take your money management to the next level. First up, personal finance apps. These tools are like having a financial advisor in your pocket. Here are my top picks for 2024. Mint, a classic choice for tracking expenses, creating budgets, and setting financial goals. It's easy to use and connects directly to your bank accounts. Why maybe you need a budget? Designed for people serious about budgeting, it helps you allocate every dollar and take control of debt. Rocket Money, this app automatically identifies subscriptions you no longer use and cancels them for you, helping you save without lifting a finger. These apps give you a clear picture of your finances, making it easier to plan for big goals like buying a home or taking that dream vacation. Now, let's talk about artificial intelligence and finance. AI isn't just for tech geeks, it's revolutionizing investing for everyone. Here's how. Platforms like Betterment and Wealthfront use AI to manage your investments. They assess market trends, calculate risks, and adjust your portfolio to match your goals all automatically. Robo-advisors like these are ideal for beginners or anyone who wants to set it and forget it. For example, let's say you want to save for retirement but don't know where to start. These AI tools will create a diversified portfolio for you and even rebalance it over time. It's like having a personal financial planner working around the clock but without the high fees. Digital wallets have made cash almost obsolete. Whether you're splitting dinner with friends or paying for online shopping, they've got you covered. Here's how the big players stack up. PayPal, the go-to for secure online purchases. It's widely accepted and perfect for sending money internationally. Venmo, great for quick transfers between friends, especially in the US. Plus, you can add a personal touch with comments or emojis. Cash App offers more than just transfers, it also lets you buy stocks and Bitcoin directly within the app. Each has unique features, so the best choice depends on your needs. And remember, always enable two-factor authentication to keep your account safe. Are you ready to step into the future of finance? Let's talk about crypto wallets. These are essential for anyone dabbling in cryptocurrencies. Here are the top 5 wallets for 2024. Ledger Nano X, a hardware wallet offering maximum security for long-term storage. MetaMask, perfect for Ethereum-based tokens and accessing DeFi decentralized finance platforms. Trust Wallet, a beginner-friendly app that supports multiple cryptocurrencies. Exodus offers an intuitive design and works seamlessly on desktop and mobile. Coinbase Wallet, backed by one of the largest crypto exchanges, it's perfect for first-time users. Crypto can seem intimidating, but with the right wallet, it's easier than ever to dive in while keeping your assets secure. Finally, let's talk about the apps that are changing the way millennials invest. Robinhood, known for commission-free trades, it's perfect for anyone wanting to buy stocks, ETFs, or even cryptocurrencies. Its simple interface makes investing less intimidating. Acorns, this app takes your spare change from everyday purchases and invests it automatically. It's ideal for beginners who want to start small but still grow their money over time.